stolen. No one really knows what it is. No one really knows why it was stolen. But just know that whoever took it can't be good. Some people think they saw it for a reason. Maybe for a plan, a secret plan that nobody knows about. Maybe something evil. But what people don't know is that they were just using it for a special recipe. Does someone save the day? And it can't be just anyone. Well, maybe it can. Someone who doesn't know about it could do this. Could be uploaded on the, like this one. But no, he can't do this alone. So, with the help of Michelle, and the not and the spy not twins. It's up to this group of plain commoners to defeat someone more powerful. Say Dinah could be the one who stole this. But she's not very smart. But with the help of the villainous Scaredy, she could defeat them easily. Will seems Dinah confess? Not gonna tell you. So find out in Crazy to Cook.